But I decided I've had this jar of brown couscous in my cupboard for too long. I don't use it very often. I'm going out this evening. I've already prepped my evening meal, and I thought I'd get ahead of myself and prep my pudding as well. So I've got in here 100 grams of brown couscous, and I've got quite a large lemon, and I've just got all the juice in there, and that's going to be stirred now. I'm making a lemon couscous cake. Really lemony because I've got all the zest, and I put all that zest in because I'm greedy and I like very strong flavours. So I'm just going to switch the kettle on to boil. Should be nearly done. I've already boiled it once. So I'm just going to put water, boiling water, just over the top, and then cover it and let it soak. Soak up the water. There we go, give it a stir. Okay, going to cover that now, come back to that when it's finished steaming. So there you go, that's the couscous. I didn't measure the water, I just put the water, so it just covered it. And it's been soaking, I've left it go cold. So what I'm going to do now is put an egg yolk in there and the lemon zest. Then I'm going to add some sweetener. I'll be back in a second. I've folded through the egg yolk, and I've added in there a teaspoon of poppy seeds, teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of bicarb, and 2 tablespoons of fat-free yogurt, and some vanilla flavouring. So this is the basic cake mix, and I'm just going to continue stirring that through, and then I'm going to add a whisked egg white. Okay, so there's the egg white, so I'm going to use a knife to cut it through. I don't want to beat all the air out, and then I'm going to put it into my chosen baking form, which I haven't even thought about choosing yet. Oh, and by the way, I did add some sweetener, and I used this one, 2 tablespoons. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. That went in with the poppy seeds and that earlier. Okay, so I made 4 small sizes, as you can see, and I've got one slightly larger cupcake size still finishing off in the oven. So those have been in for 15 minutes, and I've put almonds on the top. So altogether I've used 2 points worth of almonds. Well, it's 10 grams, that's what I've used. And those have, as I said, been in just over 15 minutes, and the other one, as it's bigger, I can leave for another couple of minutes. But it's cooked. I've put the skewer in and it's come out clean. So I'm going to have a couple of those with some custard for pudding. Now usually when people make this couscous cake, they tend to pop it into a loaf tin, but I decided to try something different today, and looks okay to me and smells yummy. Sorry, I meant to show you how they've come out, and you can see they've held the form really well. Not light and fluffy like a traditional cake, but I can't wait to eat it. I think it looks pretty good. I'm very pleased with that.